Alright guys, what's going on? This is Carso back with another video on some trades today. Just a basic trading recap. This is the first day that I've actually experienced almost no emotional pull in the trade because of rule uh, because of following my rules and just doing things how they should have been done. So this morning I went with the 8 a.m. orb strat, as you can see right here. This is my 15-minute candle. We, I don't know. So it was a little complicated this morning. On 8 a.m. we were this little tiny little candle tick right here was bearish. I mean, was bullish, and I just didn't count that. I was like, that's we're not closed above it. That's also like it's that's not it. But if you would have followed it by this little tick, it would have worked. The strat would have worked. 8 a.m. orb would have hit. You'd have been fine. I personally did not. I didn't feel confident in that. In the future, I may just do that. If I see a little tick above and I see a retest of that midpoint and a good rejection, I very well might just go ahead and enter that trade. But everything's a learning experience. All right. So, furthermore, what I was waiting on was a good push up and a retracement. Right here, we had that push up, then a retracement back here. I saw a slight reaction, so I was like, all right. I'm going to go ahead and enter. So I placed a limit order right above a fair value gap that I thought we would react off of as soon as I went into the trade. I had every single confluence. All of my rules were met. As soon as I hit that buy button, we went straight into this chop, right? So we had this slight pullback or pull up, excuse me. But because of just market's inability to hold buy side, we were not able to continue that push. Um, it was in hindsight, it was a great trade. Honestly, when I saw this chop up here, I should have taken that as an indication that we would not be able to hold that buy side, and I should have just gotten out of it there. That is okay. I ended up, my stop was a little bit lower than this actually. I ended up taking it out because I could clearly see that we were not gonna reverse that at all. And market ended up going lower, into our little area right here. Had a rejection off the bottom. It is what it is. But I think it's just important. I'm gonna have some videos coming out on rules. I'm gonna have more recap videos. Please tell me if y'all enjoy these recap videos and any questions that y'all have, please leave in the comments. But other than that, it's basically a recap of the trade today. A little bit choppy in the markets. We also did have some news on the Iranian war, which was this giant candle right here. But we'll just have to be more aware of that. Also, for the orb strat, I may do some back testing to see what these little wickers can do for the orb strat. Y'all have a good rest y'all's day, and I'll see y'all in the next one.